Hi guys, Margaret here, aka Margarts. I had a really good day at Goodwill today. I got a ton of stuff, so I wanted to jump on, make the video so I can put everything in the rotation to start printing. So, all right, let me clear the deck here and we can get cracking. Okay, I got this plate. I just love this plate. I love texture. Everyone knows that. It's so simple. Can you see that texture there? Okay, $3, 30% off. I shop on Wednesdays at Goodwill because it's senior discount day, which I think is 55 and older. So you get 30% off, plus you earn points, so it's a really good deal. So I love this one. I love the texture. Okay. This one I actually got last week, but I can't wait to print this, a paisley. So I'm always excited when I find something new. This was $4, 30% off. This is going to be gorgeous. I can't wait to do that. Okay, and this one I got today. There's so much texture. These are ferns, leaves, that sort of thing. Can you see all that texture? These will be gorgeous. I print a lot of natural leaves, so I always like to combine them, you know, with that. So that's a beauty. Okay. This is, I also got this. Everyone knows I love dots and circles. This is gorgeous. It's a nice big bowl, so when I'm not printing it, I can use it to hold things. $7, 30% off. $7's a little pricey for me. You know, usually I get better deals, but, you know, when you like something, you gotta go for it. Okay, move this. Oh, these I got today as well. I have a lot of decanters, and they always make nice. The toppers always make nice stamps. You know, you turn them over and you can stamp them. This is a nice pattern, different from something I have. This pattern and this are the same. This is just smaller. So, you know, the sides are nice, and there's always a nice, this has like a circle with a, almost looks like a 4 rounded corners inside a square. So that'll be nice as well. $5, 30% off. Okay, I got 2 more little glass jars today. This was $1.50. This was $1.25. So look at that pattern and the texture. So there's a lot of nice ridges on here. So I print a lot of pieces. So, you know, a strip of fabric, and I think this will print really nicely. This one I bought for the bottom. It's a nice little flower shape. And I don't know if you can see this way. There's a little pattern within that. So that'll be good. Oh, this is kooky. I've never seen these before. I couldn't resist it. 500 pieces. And I just thought, oh, maybe I'll glue them onto like a large piece of plexiglass so it can be washable, and I'll make a big pattern and print it. So I think these will be fun. Okay, I also got this today. I think I had seen this in Michael's last season, but I picked it up for $4. I'm not quite sure what you would use this for. Maybe candles there. I have a lot of candle holders without a candle in the house, so but I like the pineapple pattern, and if it has dots, it's always a win for me. Okay, another one I'm presuming to be a candle holder. Isn't this gorgeous? Look at that leaf pattern. Okay, I'm assuming it's a candle holder because of all the holes in it. So I think this will be a lot of fun to print. Yeah, I'm excited about that one. Okay, what else? Oh, these I got today as well. I'm sure I have these already, but, you know, how could I resist? They were $3, mini ice cube trays. But it's a nice little pattern, just simple. I like simple patterns. It doesn't have to be complicated, you know. It's actually, I stuck in my wagon as I was getting online. It's a little fan. I guess a clip-on fan. I'm not sure if it works. It probably does, but I bought it for the pattern here. I'm not sure I'll take it apart if I can just ink it and stamp it like this. I think this will be a lot. It reminded me of a sun or a flower, so you can't go wrong with that. This I bought today as well. I'll put a piece of paper, you can see the pattern. Nice little pattern, you know. And it doesn't have to be big. I do a lot of piecing, so small pieces are fine for me. And it's a little organizer. We can all use a little organizing, or a lot in my case. Okay. These I bought in Target. They're little sponges. Plain on one side, but I like the scruffy side, which I think will give you texture when you print. So I got a bunny, a tulip, and a little chick. So I just thought it'd be good seasonal print. Easy, $1 each, you can't go wrong. I'm sure I have a smaller version of this somewhere in my collection. I have such a big collection of glass. So a little stripey on one side. I like the square on the bottom, square within a square, And when I stamp it, together, it makes a big overall really nice pattern. So excited about this one. Okay. Another organizer. Put a piece of paper and you can see. I really love the pattern. It's so simple, but it's a gorgeous little pattern. And when I piece them all together, they always look nice. Okay. I'm not quite sure what this thing is. Did I say how much that was? This was $1.50. 30 off. I'm guessing this is some kind of candle holder or something, but I obviously bought it for this part. This will be a really nice, fun print. Okay, this was $4.50, 30% off. And I got another riser. I have a lot of these, it seems. This one's from IKEA, and I paid $5. I got it at Goodwill, but it's originally from IKEA. Nice pattern, right? Really nice. And I'll get use out of this. All right. Oh, this one I was really excited about as well. Doesn't take a lot to get me excited. Look how beautiful that is. Isn't that nice? So I'm really, this will be a fun one to do. Another organizer too. Okay. This I forgot I had bought. $3. It's a little wall decoration, but I like the hearts. Anything, hearts, dots, the same old thing for me. And the shape where you can easily stamp it into a pattern, an overall pattern. Okay, these I bought. I have something like this I bought a few years ago. I wanted to print $30 off. So between this and the one I already have, we should make some nice prints. Okay, I always have new placemats. This one I bought. I loved, and this was pricey for a placemat. This was $2.99. Usually they're like $1 each. So, but I guess this is more involved. It's woven and whatnot. But I just think the texture is really nice on this. So much so I actually bought 2 of them. So in case one doesn't hold up well, I'll have a backup because I know this is going to be a nice one. Okay, this is like that grippy material or like shelf lining, but it was a nice large area. So I just thought this will print really nicely. Let me see. Can you see it like this? Okay. So that was a nice one. $1.99, 30% off. This one was pricey too, if I remember. This was like $1.99. I guess not really pricey, but when you used to paying $1 for them. Okay. I've printed these quilted placemats before, and they print beautifully. I'm really excited about this beautiful floral pattern and the paisley. I think this will be a really, really nice one. Okay. All right. This I went to a thing over the weekend. There's a local place that people donate fabric and wool and whatnot too. And then you can come in and just take things for free. I went with a friend of mine and we got some things, but this is what I picked up to print. So a nice little piece of plastic and nice texture. It's a good one. My son picked this up for me on the streets of Manhattan. He's always got his eyes out for me. It says it's a pill case, but they look like little Christmas ornaments. So I just thought this would be a fun little one. So, and he's always on the lookout for me. Okay. Oh, these are, my sister sent me a photograph of something, and in the background on her kitchen counter were these. And I was like, okay, what are those? These would make a great print. And I guess they're silicone hot plates. So she got them on Amazon. I went out and I ordered myself a set, $13 for the 3. So I'm really excited. I think these will be a lot of fun. Okay, and this might be last but not least. How awesome is this? I love this pattern. It's just, what's not to like? Okay, it was $3 and 30% off. So, alrighty, I think that's it for today, for this month. Okay, I think this might be episode 12 of the Printable Finds. So, until next time, happy printing.